very good morning. Welcome to Math Solutions. Till now, we have covered the topic of ratio and proportion, in which we have learned what is the meaning of ratio, how to express ratio in simplest form, how to compare the ratios, and how to find equivalent ratios. Also, we have done proportion, continued proportion, mean proportion, and we have covered this with the help of various examples and practice question worksheets. Our today's video is based on the word problems based on ratio and proportion. So let's begin. Let's see the first word problem. The ratio of length of a school ground to its width is given as 5:2. We need to find the length if the width of the ground is given as 50 meters. Now, to start with the solution for this, first let us see what all is given. So let's write the ratio of length and width, which is given as 5:2. Also, you are given the length or the width of the ground, which is equal to 50 meters. Now clearly, when we take the ratio of length and width, we can compare them and express it in the form of proportion. Length ratio width can be written as 5:2, which is proportionate to the value of length and the value of width, which is given as 50 meters. Now here, since the terms are in proportion, so we can apply the property product of means is equal to the product of extremes. When we talk about product of means, that means 2 multiplied by length will be equal to 5 multiplied by 50. So when we solve this, we get the answer length is equal to 250 divided by 2, which gives us the answer as 125 meters. So I hope the question is clear to you. Moving on to another word problem. The ratio of income to the expenditure of a family is given as 7:6. We need to find the savings if the income is rupees 1400. So first of all, let's again write what all is given to us. We are given the ratio of income to expenditure, which in this case is given as 7:6. So let's compare these. Income ratio expenditure can be expressed in the form of proportion, which can be written as 7:6 is proportionate to 1400, which is given as the income ratio expenditure. So when we apply the result, product of means is equal to product of extremes. Now here the mean terms are 6 and 1400 and the extreme terms are 7 multiplied by the expenditure. When we solve these, we'll get the value of expenditure. For this, we need to bring 7 on this side, and from multiplication, it will change to division. Now clearly, we can cancel 7 and 1400, and 6 multiplied by 2 means the answer is rupees 1200. Now if the income is 1400 and the expenditure is 1200 rupees, then to find the savings, there is a simple formula, which is income minus the expenditure. That means whatever a person has earned and whatever his expenses are, when we subtract these, we get what he has saved. So this answer will be equal to rupees 200, which gives us the savings. Based on these, small practice worksheet is given to you. Try and solve these questions. I'm sure you will be able to solve it. Thank you.